Here I have TCL 30 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret code, just open keypad on your device and enter codes here. And the first code for today will be *pound *2 426 #**. And this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can see some interesting information about your Wi-Fi connection, something like that. Could be useful, I guess. The next code for today will be *pound *225 #**, and this is the calendar info menu. If you have calendars added on your device, they will be displayed here, I think. The next code will be *pound *07, and this is the code which displays regulatory information. And the last code will be *pound *06, and this is the code which displays your email numbers and serial number of your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.